Hadien Umsning ke Jingangnud jong Paidbah ke Shillong Umsning. Bat ke Shillong ki Bamarjan, ban donno ke madani lekai ke Bapaka, kumbalong hakiwe ki distrik ke Jela. Ban yo yang madani lekai ke Babit ke Babiang, nak benta ban kentiu ya ki jingi lekai baper ha ke Tang. Tang Hadien Khyndiat Bnai bo Myntri Rangbah ke Sorkar Jela, ukonrat ke sangma, ulawan jongo ya ke Sorrit Umsning, menta ke sengi, ki nong ilam ke Tang ki layo ban sakhi, ya ke jing sedang ban Urlong ki Kampen Roy, Hadien ke jingwan Iuhkjat Myntri Rangbah. Hak bagani ke Jingangnud jong Paidbah ke Tang Umsning, ban don ke jekai lekai ke Bapaka, menta ke sengi ke la Urlong. Hak badalade Myntri Rangbah ke Sorkar Jela, ukonrat kongkal sangma, ulawan ban bu yang mau nong rem, bante ya ke Umsning mini stadium hapata rem. Ya ke jingbu yang mau nong rem bante ya ketika madani lekai, ha ke jing penmang pisa ke basau klur tam. Lawan ru ban sakilang da UMLA ke jirang constituency uba sostano sodun ubabat ru kumu menteri sorkar bepej ye ketenat CNRD bat General Administration ha ke jing don lang ru UMLA ke Umsning constituency Dr. Celestin Lengdo UMLA ke Nongpoh uba Meral Bonsim ke MDC jong ke Nongpoh constituency ke Kongrona Khmdej Deputy Commissioner ke distrik Abilash Baranwal Superintendent of Police ke distrik Giri Prasad ki officer sorkar nagitran trikam baper nang tau chairman ke Umsning Town Dorbar uba Rocky Kela ki Rangbah Snong lembat kiwe. Hagani juga sengi la pelipai baru ya ke Bhoi sil dream nak mentaban kentiu ki kam thanjan hagani ke than. Batla samru ya ki tiar sya ki nong thir ksai rendia bat ki nong thanjan rendia ki bedai ki tiar ki balasina kerpang kat kum ke juk ke bamenta ha ke baw menteri Rangbah dalade ula yo ban yekran bat ki nong thir ksai bat nong thanjan ba kumno ke jing mentoi baki yo ba ki penon kam deng ni jing erap bala bah kerpang dak sorkar Jela bat ru ha ke juk sengi la pelaj ya ka project aspire follow ups ka bedai ka rensan social media ban wat kam wat jam lengba ki bor internet.
lem bat ki Myntri bat ki MLA menta kin play paldano ya umano rim bansnai ka mini stadium hangni ha Umsning patarim ka Shillong be.
To meet the people of Umsning, to have a CM Connect program, to interact with the people, to listen to their grievances. As a government, we have always believed that for any leadership, any department, or any official to be able to bring the changes and the development that is required, we must listen to the people. We must connect with the people. Sometimes, as politicians and as government, we become very complacent. We take things very easy. And we wake up only when the election arrives. This is not the kind of governance that this MDA government wants to give. We want to be a responsive government. We want to be a government that connects with our people, listens to its people, and delivers in a timely manner. It was in that CM Connect program which I had right here in Umsning. I was told about the street lights, and within a matter of couple of months, with the help and support of your very dynamic local MLA, we were able to provide the street lights. In this field, there was a demand for a mini stadium to be constructed. And within 4 months, we are here today with the sanction, the administrative approval, and we are today here to lay the foundation stone for that particular mini stadium. There was a request that the Jal Jeevan Mission program of the Umsning, Greater Umsning water supply was affected because of the road construction. We immediately called the meeting. And as mentioned by DC, majority and by our local MLA, majority of the issues have been resolved. Some additional features and additional lines have been demanded by the people. We are working on those also. There were many road projects that were requested. I'm happy to inform you, some have been sanctioned, some will be sanctioned in the days to come, because we also have financial constraints. We cannot sanction everything in one go, but the process has started. And the reason why we do this, I want to share this with you also. The reason that we do this, I was talking to Dr. Bob just now, and he asked me, sir, in 4 months we have managed to sanction this mini stadium. I have not seen this kind of pace at which schemes are sanctioned ever before. And I was sharing with him that, Doctor, we as politicians, we need to work and we need to have a mindset that keeps telling us and reminding us that election is next year. Don't think election is 2 years later. You tell yourself that election is next year.
Urlong the crowd, ya visionary leadership, kajong Honorable Chief Minister Jongi, Usar Komrat ke sama, halor kajing, yo ichnai kat kajing, lendane kajing IT kaju, na kebenca kumlo barang-barang, ya kejela kajungi, bahkan nanga ban kiu state baru kebenca. Kajing kublai kebakarpang, congratulations, yai Dr. Celestine, nangka pada Paidbah, jong Umsning, na kebenca kenika stadium, kaba pinsuyo on sedang no shen. Kumuway na kinong mikmat, hakatan Bhoi, raso Bnai kajiro ekasokal, kaba Plemmet Shillong, lenin yo Shillong, nagda katem Bhoi kabi kejungi. Lagi pai amang na constituency, ngini ke jingkala, kaba nakaway kasi siya kaway pat. Nakaway Bnai siya kaway pat, naway snem siya kaway pat. Kide baro, kide lingba. Kajing IT, but kajing Iuhkjat, kajing Preston, kajing Honorable Chief Minister, nakabuntaban kintil, yang ke Bhoi district, pada kejela Meghalaya di Bhoi. Hakani kesni kabakarpang, kaba nagaliang, kasolkal, kapai kemat, kerpang yang ke Bhoi district. Hakani day, but can Bhoi silk green. Kabagyong hatin no way. E-Rise, getting initiatives which carries a deeper meaning than its name suggests. It reminds us that rural development must begin from within. From our own skill, our own tradition, and our own people. Sericulture is not new to us. What is new is the way we are using to nurture it. With innovation, organization, and a clear focus on empowerment. This is the vision and aim of our Honorable Chief Minister and the Meghalaya government, where a rural household gains a stable livelihood. We are not just increasing income, we are strengthening confidence, preserving culture, and building resilience. Kadon, kajing shisha kabaklan, kabangangit, bay kajing kinti wa Shillong akinaw kendong, kabladay tang manpen kelaso, Henry, kadai katong jang kasorka, lalu Honorable Chief Minister. ban pintiu yakin long ye long sem ba kila ban yeng halaki jong Iuhkjat kene ga thong ke bahas watam ke bahas sarkar jela aka Shillong jong honorable chief minister ugon nagamenta ban pintiu yakin Paidbah lakalong hasol lini hanul kendalo di Paidbah ay jong Bhoi ke sarkar ke peli kila kilenti ke malabatai di local level jopi Dr. Selesi Lingdo Shibol ba kila kilenti ke peli na kumata jopi
Ngin sayo ya ka jingbu ya maunong rim bansna ya ka mini stadium hapo kane kamadan ka Jingangnud ke balayai lakumba arpos tentam ngidon lu kane ka program ke ba lai ka teng ka e-rise haga bayai bat ka Khyndiat ka wikroni ijan India bat bynta terjadi Dikini ki apa di program ngile hapo Umsning mentagasni ban rakhe omde tang nakadau jong kini ki apa di man ngabwa ban kren hangni baganeru kadai ka program aga baka sorka ka rakhe ya ka jinga prasnem hapo ka Shillong jong sorka MBA prasnem ki layat Islam but the eight jitula ki bani layobi. So today, in every heart, in every thought, and on every lips of the people of Umsning, the only word that comes to the mind is thank you. Thank you because when you visited us on the 27th of November last year, it was exactly 4 months ago. And in these 4 months, the mini stadium has materialized. In these 4 months, the solar street lighting for Umsning town has been completed. In these 4 months, the water problem that we face has been solved partially and little bit is still left. Kanega Sarkar MDA Hagabayday baka jinpelut konsep nakamanta ki jingalakan kanega stadium kabangin sayo henry jinpen man jong kanega Sarkar nakamanta usnem akho argusan hadu argupra kakot hadu Shihajar kendai spa glur. Balai kita kecimpen mang kapoi haduk kata kadau kalongba ngi pentre na kabenda ka national games ka balai ko kendai. Bah kata ka Shihajar kendai spa glur ka Umsning ru kadon bynta namar balai ka estimate ya kene stadium ka jongi kapoi haduk 7.1 crores. Abang ia kena dia kontrikan jom kena soka. Amdei tak apa Umsning bagi yo. Lalu ia kena hak block level. Kita nak live spa South League sports infrastructure akibat repair jom ka jela Meghalaya ka Sungi. Arpo Light League sports infrastructure hak district level hak jela Barakawai. But hak state level kita ada Prana League sports infrastructure. Kabang asal benar bangun hanya kalong. Abang ia kira ke district level, UMLA jauh Nongpoh urang rekat bagi hanya. Ni basyong Umsning leseng Nongpoh. Henry bahasa Nongpoh kilayoi. Ya artificial turf football playground haum Buddha kala janda. Tentang asal sarang harpai ini mat Nongpoh konstitusi. Tentang data kilayor ya ka synthetic athletic track lalai ka mini stadium bynta bani balik kata apa ke Shillong paham skin of 100 plus solar street light and financial assistance of 2 school building, that is 1 school Pesara school building and Umsning town school, and 1 time financial award to the student and the sport person here in Umsning. There, but Hamsai, kecik skopu, but Hamsai lebih kena WhatsApp. Hari ka Umsning tahun 2007 ngayan kumwel chaman jong industri kisang. Hari Umsning ngayon ya paro kiba la perluan ya khubor, la perluan ya kaski, berwarna kilang hari ke jigilan mendagasi kadai kasi jong ke ciksa kembau ke history jong ke Shillong Umsning tahun berapa jongi kani kamadan kaba pisyong bapi nilakmi nanti lakupa akosem banyo yaka ministerium la layot sawat kecil besar ni padyo ya kani madan kat kabani nilaipan api saki kani kesin kabadan pok kabadan pok pat kabas suteratam ya kisong jong indri kisong Shillong Umsning ibaha apa tahun lepas bagi layo ban Synod layo ban kapriwono ya foundation stone na kabata kalika ministerium jongka Shillong Umsning sport at Synod club kabaha apa ka Umsning tahun lepas